In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Amen. The Gospel according to Luke 6. Now it happened in those days that he went unto the mountain to pray, and he spent the whole night in prayer to God. When day came, he summoned his disciples and picked out 12 of them. He called them apostles: Simon, whom he called Peter, and his brother Andrew, James, John, Philip, Bartholomew, Matthew, Thomas, James, son of Alphaeus, Simon called the Zealot, Judas, son of James, and Judas Iscariot, who became a traitor. He then came down with them and stopped at a piece of level ground, where there was a large gathering of his disciples, with a great crowd of people from all parts of Judea and Jerusalem, and the coastal region of Tyre and Sidon, who had come to hear him and to be cured of their diseases. People tormented by unclean spirits were also cured, and everyone in the crowd was trying to touch him, because power came out of him that cured them all. In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Amen.